But don't forget to watch till the end, guys, because we're going to draw a winner for the Cerax 1000 grit stone. Hey, Adam here from the Cook's Edge. Thanks for joining us. Today we are going to be performing a repair and a sharpen on this Sakai Takayuki Tall Bunka. We will start the reprofiling and grinding with the Atoma plate. The Atoma plate is a diamond lapping plate, and today we're going to use it because it's very aggressive and it'll help us remove steel quickly. After the Atoma plate, we are going to start the knife thinning process on this Naniwa Lobster 150 stone. This stone removes steel quickly, and it's going to help us restore that edge geometry so the knife doesn't wedge through the food. From there, we're going to continue on with some more coarse stones. This Naniwa traditional 220 will help us continue the thinning process, but this will start the blending of the scratches. The Naniwa Professional 400 is really good at eating up those scratches too, so we'll continue on with this stone. From there, we're going to be moving to our medium stones. The Naniwa Professional 800 is really going to help us refine the edge. From there, we'll move to the Cerax 1000, and we'll start polishing with the Suhiro Uka 3000. Then the 5000 grit stone for that silky cutting feel. And finally, we'll restore that Kasumi finish with a little bit of this Suhiro 600 grit stone dust. Now it's important as we are grinding away on our very first stone, the Lobster 150, that we try to catch any little low spots like this. We also want to ensure that our scratches are all flowing in the same direction. Now that we've sharpened out that blunt edge that was created by the repair, and we have some nice consistent scratch patterns all along the blade path, we're going to flip the knife over and repeat the process on the other side. Unlike our previous video about secondary bevel sharpening, instead of using the same hand, we're going to switch hands. By using our left hand, this is going to help create those nice consistent scratch patterns. If we were to do it with our right hand, then we would have to switch directions while sharpening, and that way we won't get consistent patterns. As I'm grinding out the blunt edge from the repair, I'm actually rolling the knife a little bit and turning it upwards like this. This is going to help me restore that convexity. Next, we're going to roll into the 220 grit traditional stone from Naniwa. It's important when we're polishing knives and doing thinning that we keep the stones nice and flat. So again, I'm just going to lay the knife flat and apply pressure on top of the area that I want to remove steel and polish. As we are grinding away on the 220 grit, we are starting to get the finish nice and even, but we're also starting to uncover some deep grinder marks from when the knife was made. We could keep grinding away to try to eliminate these, but sometimes it's best just to leave this until the next thinning. Hopefully when we test out our new Suhiro stone dust, it'll help blend this up and cover it. On to the next stone, the 400 grit Naniwa Professional. As I'm polishing the Kariba or the blade path, I find that using little tiny strokes like this helps get in any nooks and crannies in case I have a little trouble spot. Next up, the Naniwa 800 stone. Now we're going to start refining the edge and cleaning up the blade path. We're going to continue on with the edge refinement with the Cerax 1000. On to our next stone, the Uka 3000. On to our last stone, the Suhiro Rika 5000. All right, we're almost done with this repair and sharpen on the Sakai Takayuki Bunka. I'm pretty happy with how the edge has turned out. We have lots of carbon steel or coarse steel still exposed, but our Kasumi finish is not quite perfect. So today we're actually going to be testing out one of our newer products here at the shop. It's the Suhiro 600 grit stone dust. So the way this works is we need a very flat surface like this piece of lapping glass or a nice piece of perfectly flat steel. We just kind of sprinkle a little bit on the glass and add a couple of little spritzes of water. And what this is it's literally just a 600 grit stone that has been ground up into fine powder. And this is going to help us, I don't want to say cheat, because this is a technique they use in Japan as well for evening out the finish and making it look very nice. It's going to help get in all the little nooks and crannies, and if there's any scratches behind, hopefully it's going to eat them up and create an even Kasumi finish. We're pretty happy with this Kasumi finish that the Suhiro dust has left, but we just want to go over the edge real quick with the 5000 grit stone. And a quick final strop on our suede. And we'll test it out on a carrot and a potato to make sure it's not wedging through the food. It's time now to draw a winner for the Cerax 1000 Grit Waterstone. Raymond Mock, winner, Raymond Mock. Congratulations, you have won yourself a brand new Waterstone. Alright, thanks for watching our repair and sharpening video. We hope that you picked up some tips and tricks. If you have any comments or questions about any of the products that we use in this video, please drop a comment below or send us a direct message anytime.